No way. This is unbelievable.
Okay, slow and steady. Watch that beam. Good, looking clear. Stop. Set the brake. All right, she's out. Nice work. God, that's stiff. Whoa, that's rank. Get it out of here. Come on, you stubborn bastard. Just give me a second. Finally. Got it. All right, let's watch this work. See how it starts to crinkle already? That's the good stuff. All right, let's see what's under here. Just need to get this edge. Look at that. Clean metal. Whoa. All right, now for the rust. Looks like it's coming up cleanly. Good. Just a little more over here. Perfect. All right, that's everything accounted for. Just gotta... The work looks good. We're ready for paint. Not good. This needs a lot of work. Can you fix it? We'll see. Back it, back it. All right, front right fender's taped. Now I just need to cover the wheel well. Good. Looks perfect. Exactly what I was aiming for. All right, everything looks perfect. Let's get started. The finish is holding perfectly. Just one spot here. Understood. Right, that's it. Ready to roll. I think that's it. It's perfect. All right, time to tackle this valve. Careful with that one, it's brittle. Got it. Now for the brush. Okay, that's done. All right, into the cleaner they go. And start. Fuel lines, check. Now for the spark plug wires. Tighten in this last bolt now. Looks good. All right, springs are clean. Let's get these on. All right, easy does it. Oh. Perfect. Almost there. Just need to get this corner down. All right, careful now. Perfect. Looks great. All right, just like it's supposed to. Perfection. All right, centered. Now for the nut. Just need to get this tight. There we go. Trim and the other side. Nice and easy. Perfect fit. Just need to make sure the angle is spot on. Good, that's better. Perfect placement. Just needs to settle now. Good job, Alex. It looks straight. Almost there. Just needs to be lined up. Got it. Secure the spinner. Almost there. Heard on fit the thing. Perfect. Done. Yes, finally. Finally. It's time to finish this. Let's go.